Here this is the tower which stands vertically on the ground. This is the ground, and a man which is standing at the top of the tower. This is the top of the tower where the man is standing. He observes his friend at an angle of depression of 30 degree, who is approaching the foot of the tower with a uniform speed. That means, suppose angle of depression, when we are talking about, angle of depression is this one. This one is the angle of depression, which is 30 degree. This is 30 degree. So this angle will be also equal to 30 degree. And here he saw his friend who is approaching towards the tower. And after 30 seconds, his friend reached at certain point here where the angle of elevation became, that is angle of depression become 60 degree. Angle of depression means this one is become 60 degree. So this angle will be equal to 60 degree, because alternate angle for two parallel lines is same. Here this line, suppose this is point P, this is point R. PR is parallel to, suppose this point is A, this point is B, this point is C. So PR line is parallel to AC. So this angle is 30 degree, so this will be equal to 30 degree. This angle is 30 degree, this angle is 30 degree. Because PC is the transversal. Similarly, this angle is 60 degree, means this angle will be equal to 60 degree, where PB is the transversal. Now, in triangle PAB, in PAB triangle, this angle is 90 degree. So we can write PA by AB is equal to tan 60 degree. Let PA is the height h. So AB will be equal to PA divided by tan 60 degree. The value of tan 60 degree is equal to root 3. So this is PA is equal to h. We are taking PA as h into root 3. This is the height of the tower, h meter. That means PA, and let it is h meter. Now, similarly in triangle PAC, in triangle PAC we will get PA by AC is equal to tan 30 degree, and PA is equal to h. So AC will be equal to h into root 3, this much meter. Now his friend takes 30 seconds to travel from C to B. That means this distance is travelled by 30 seconds. BC distance is travelled by 30 seconds. So with a uniform speed. So the speed is equal to speed, let it be V. V is the speed of his friend. Speed is equal to distance by time. And here the BC distance is equal to, BC we can write BC by 30 seconds. And BC is equal to AC minus AB divided by 30. And S for seconds, that you can write later. BC by 30. So this will be equal to AC minus BC. So AC is equal to H into root 3 minus H by root 3 divided by 30. So this will be equal to 3H minus H by 30 into root 3. So this will be equal to 2H by 30 into root 3, that is equal to H by 15 into root 3, this much meter per second. This is the uniform speed with which his friend is traveling. Now, how much time his friend needs to travel from this point B to the point A? That you have to calculate. Now we have already found V is equal to H by 15 into root 3, this much meter per second. And we know the distance AB is equal to H by root 3 meter. And the time taken will be distance divided by speed. Time always distance by speed. So here distance AB is H by root 3 divided by speed is V is equal to H by 15 into root 3. So we can write this as H by root 3 multiplied by 15 into root 3 by H. So this will be equal to H will be cancelled out, root 3 will be cancelled out, that is 15 seconds. That means his friend needs 15 seconds to reach from point B to point A.